In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile menu using Zoho sites. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make clean, mobile-friendly menu changes with confidence. Start by heading to the Zoho site's homepage. On the top right, click Sign In. If you use Google to access your Zoho account, choose the Google option, then pick the correct Google account to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Zoho site's dashboard. Click your website to open the site builder. Inside the builder, look for the Menus area. Here's an important note before you begin. To add or remove menu items, you must be in the desktop view of the builder. The mobile editor is great for formatting and visual tweaks, but it does not support adding or removing items. If you don't see the options you expect, switch back to desktop view and try again. With the Menus panel open, click Add Menu Item to create a new entry. Give your menu item a clear, short label that helps visitors know exactly where it leads. Then set its destination, such as an existing page or a link. Keeping labels concise improves readability on smaller screens and reduces wrapping in the mobile menu. If you're building a new main navigation, you can also add a primary menu from the left side panel. This is helpful when you want a fresh structure or are reorganizing your site's top-level navigation. Naming your primary menu clearly will make it easier to manage later. Once your items are in place, rearrange them by dragging and dropping. This is the quickest way to get the order just right. Place the most important pages toward the top of the list for better visibility on mobile. If your design supports nested items, you can drag slightly to the right to create a hierarchy, but keep submenus minimal so tapping remains simple on smaller screens. As you work, pause to think about the mobile experience, short labels, logical order, and minimal depth. If a menu feels crowded, consider trimming low-priority items or consolidating similar pages. When you're done, review the result in the builder's preview so you can see exactly how the menu collapses and expands on a phone-sized view. That's it. You've signed in, opened your site, navigated to menus in desktop view, added new items, optionally created a primary menu, and cleaned up the order with drag and drop. Follow these steps, and your mobile menu in Zoho sites will be clear, fast, and easy to use.